Introducing the Aluman S55, the future bestseller of our sliding system family. Designed with complete flexibility in mind, the S55 is a fully thermal brake sliding system, ready to meet every architectural demand. It offers two interlock options: a classic 92mm interlock, perfect for neoclassical projects, and a minimalist 30mm slim interlock, ideal for modern, minimalistic architecture. Floor transitions. You choose a sleek 7mm visible gap, or a seamless floor, uninterrupted from inside to out. Performance is at your fingertips, whether you need the high performance of lift and slide, or the simplicity of normal sliding, all within one system. And with the thoughtful addition of a soft closing device, the S55 ensures safety for elderly and children, gently guiding even heavy sashes to a perfect close, avoiding sudden collisions. Add to that a wide selection of handle styles and options, and you have a system that can do so much with so little. Aluman S55. Flexibility, elegance, performance, redefined.